Hey friends, Min from On a Stamp Page. I'm super excited to be here to share this beautiful digital kit called The Most Wonderful Time of Year. This is by Taylormadecards4u, and they are our sponsor this month at the Crafters Castle Challenge. So I've decided that what I'm going to do this month is I'm going to use these beautiful images and papers to create a new digital print for my holiday decor. I'm kind of sick of my old ones. And so I've decided that I'm going to use these elements to create new ones. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the paper that I want as part of my focal image. And I'm kind of wanting to keep this a little bit more clean and simple. So I'm just going to choose the paper and have it have a nice white border around it so that it can kind of be part of that focal arrangement. So as you see, I've got the paper just nicely centered. Canva does that for you. I am working in Canva today. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these beautiful vintage holiday girls who are shopping. And I love how easy it is to crop things in Canva. So I'm cropping this down, and then I want to go in and I want to edit the image, and I'm going to click frames so that I can add a glitter frame. Now, when that happens, it goes back to the original image, and I'm going to crop it again. The reason that I do crop, frame, crop is because otherwise the frame won't be there. And then I'm going to drag this little girl down to the corner. She's so sweet with her packages. After I do that, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to grab the December 25th tag, and I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to put it right next to her so that people know that this is a Christmas decor piece, as if you couldn't tell. I'm adding these awesome vintage tickets in, and I'm sending them backwards so that they're behind. Later on, I'll take them out because I feel like the red's just too much. I'm taking these vintage receipts, cropping this down. This will give some more texture and interest and frame the image of the sweet shopping girl a little bit better. And I'm also going to rotate this so that that gives it a little bit more of interest as well. And so once it's in place, I'm going to send it backward. I'm going to send it backward one more time. And now I have a fun little vignette going on. The last thing that I kind of wanted to do after taking out these tags is to add a price tag. I love this, and I'm going to go for the 45-cent one because who would not want to be able to buy Christmas presents this year for 45 cents? That would just be amazing. And I love the vintage text images on this, the fonts. So I'm going to resize this, and I'm also going to tilt it a little bit, send it back, and then move it to where you can still see the price. And that's pretty much it. I absolutely love this, and it's going to be perfect to print. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was super quick, but if you have any questions for me on Canva, let me know, meaning about Canva, and enjoy some of the other elements from the Taylormade Cards for You Most Wonderful Time of the Year set.